49K, excellent flight, 7 hours. So this is the entire flight. This is business flight. This is the flight. BA114 from New York JFK, Terminal 8 to London Heathrow Terminal 5. So it is 7 hours flight, excellent flight. This is London Heathrow Airport, Terminal 5. So I am coming to London after 13 years, 13. I came in 2013. సో అప్పుడు జాబ్ పైన వచ్చిన క్యాబ్ జమ్ని నుండి 2013లా సో మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు వస్తున్నా ఆల్మోస్ట్ లైక్ 11 years. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ మచ్ లుకింగ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ ఫర్ దిస్ విజిట్. సో ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు స్టే 5 nights in central London, గోయింగ్ టు స్టే 3 nights in Wales. So yeah, that is my plan. So now we'll come to London. These are all different flight connections, but I have to go out. I'm not taking any flight. You can see Delhi flight, Air India, all flights. As usual, London is very organized, UK, and Heathrow is very well organized. So I have to take internal train to go to arrivals and baggage claim and also immigration. So this is the train, internal train. So next transit. See how organized and how neat it is. Excellent. So one train just arrived, so I am waiting for this train. Just brushed my teeth, so use restroom and ready to go to London. So yeah, train is coming. See, this is the internal train. Excellent. This is the flight. BA114 from New York JFK, Terminal 8 to London Heathrow Terminal 5. So it is 7 hours flight, excellent flight. So got down this internal airport train, going to arrivals, baggage claim, immigration, flight connections. So this is the train, internal train in the airport, Terminal 5. So here we have also pods. Pods are nothing but automatic small cars like. So just with so this is passport control, immigration area. I can't take record further, so I'm going to enter into immigration. It took like 10-15 minutes. She asked some questions, where I am going to stay, hotel details, and return flight. I said return, I am returning by train by Eurostar to Paris. So then she said okay. So this is a baggage claim, but I don't have any baggage to claim because I am just carrying. I am traveling with a carry-on luggage. So now I have to go to railway station to get a train to Paddington, where is my hotel is, Central London. So this is a baggage claim area. See how beautiful it is and how spacious and how organized it is. So that is UK, it's London. So here everything is organized, everything is picture perfect, systematic, punctual. So that's why I always enjoy traveling in London, UK. So exit. Even though I have lived here for 5 years, I still admire, I still cherish these things here. So I have to exit. Nothing to declare. I don't have anything to declare. So I am just exiting this. Here are small shops before arrivals area. So people are waiting outside. So whoever came here to visit, to see their relatives, friends. So I came from that gate, exit. So this is all arrivals area, Costa Coffee. I have checked to take Heathrow Express. It is £25. So Either I will take tube, it is only 6 pounds, or Elizabeth line. There is a new line, new train to Paddington. It is only 12 pounds. Heathrow Express is very expensive, like 25 pounds. But it is excellent. It only takes 15 minutes to hit Heathrow, direct to Paddington. These are different options to go to London. One is bus and coach, underground, the cheapest option, but it takes time. Elizabeth line, it is $12. So, and Heathrow Express, it only takes 15 minutes, but it's $25. Sorry, 25 pounds. $12 and 24 pounds. So I'm still saying dollars. This is not US. This is London. This is the map from Heathrow Airport. You can see Heathrow Express 20 minutes. It goes to Paddington. So buses and Piccadilly line. You have to change train. So from Piccadilly line, if my hostel is in Paddington, so I need to change. So you can see I have to take this Piccadilly line. So Heathrow, I am here. So I have to change here at Piccadilly Circus and then take a brown line to Paddington, or I can get down at Earls Court and take green line to Paddington. So this is map. So they are all waiting for passengers with their names, different cruises, cruise lines. So this is the where gate. This is the gate from where I came. అక్కడ నుంచి వచ్చాను నేను. సో ఇప్పుడు చూడండి ట్రైన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, అండర్ గ్రౌండ్ ఉంది. సో అక్కడికి వెళ్ళాలి నేను. అండర్ గ్రౌండ్ ట్రైన్. సో ట్రైన్కి వెళ్ళాలి. సో 3 ఆప్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇప్పుడు. ఒకటి ఏంటంటే అండర్ గ్రౌండ్ మెట్రో తీసుకోవచ్చు, దాని ట్యూబ్ అంటారు ఇక్కడ. ఇంకో ఆప్షన్ ఏంటంటే ఎలిజబెత్ లైన్ ఉంది, అది డైరెక్ట్ ప్యాడింగ్టన్ వెళ్తుంది నా హాస్టల్ ఉన్న ఏరియాకి. లేకపోతే ఇంకోటి ప్యాడింగ్టన్ హీత్రో ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ ఉంది, బట్ దానికి $25 pounds సారీ. సో అందుకే ఇప్పుడు నేను మామూలుగా ఐసర్ కార్డ్ తీసుకొని, ఐసర్ కార్డ్ ఏంటి ఏం లేదు, మనము యూజ్ చేసిన దాని నుంచి డబ్బులు డిడక్ట్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి. సో అది తీసుకొని నేను ఎలిజబెత్ లైన్ ఎక్కి ప్యాడింగ్టన్ వెళ్తా. సో ఎందుకంటే అది కూడా కొత్త ట్రైన్, నేను ఉన్నప్పుడు లేదు, 2013లో. సో అది నా ప్లాన్. లెట్ us see how I have taken SIM. It is 45 pounds. So it covers entire Europe for 1 month, 129 GB. So as I am going to Paris, Switzerland, Milan, so this works very well, this O2 SIM. So that was the first SIM I have taken in the year 2002. So you know, life is a circle. So now I have again taken O2 SIM because it covers entire Europe. You can see Elizabeth line, Heathrow Express, underground tickets. So I will take Elizabeth line because first time, and it goes directly to self vending machine. So we have to take tickets like this. So get new cards. I have taken like this. Say confirm, and then so yeah, this 7-day travel card because I am traveling a lot in using London Tube, bus, everything, trams, including Elizabeth line. So zones 1 to 6. So it is starts from, I want to start from today. So do you want need receipt? No receipt. Receipt is not required for me. So I have to pay using my Visa or MasterCard. So I have put my card here, and then I got the Oyster card. So from that machine. So excellent. This is train information. So I will take this Elizabeth line. So it is a new line. So I have an Oyster card. So with Oyster card it is free. So you can see it goes to St. Arlington, West Ealing, Broadway, Paddington. So I have to get down at Paddington, where my hostel is located. There are lifts to go downstairs to train station. So this is Elizabeth line. So it is Shenfield is 16 minutes. So Shenfield is close to Chelmsford, where I lived for 5 years from 2000 to 2007. So during that time there was no Elizabeth line. Even I came in the year 2013. So during that time it was constructing. So now it is 12 p.m. You see, time is 12 p.m. So the train is at 16 minutes Shenfield. So with 3-4 stops I can go to Paddington. If I take tube, it will take like 10, 15, 20 stops, and I have to change again in again in one station. So it better. That is the reason I am taking this Elizabeth line. It is included in my Oyster card. So see how beautiful it is. So that is a Heathrow Express. So it is only 15 minutes from Central London from Heathrow Express to Central London, that is Paddington, but it is 15 pounds. It is expensive. Sorry, 25 pounds. So and it is not included in my Oyster card. So again I have to take extra ticket for that. So 25 pounds. So it is not good. Like it is expensive. So that's why I am taking this train, Elizabeth line, to go to Central London. Elizabeth line is here, so I am going to board this. So and I am going to Paddington. So this is excellent train, new train. So I will enjoy the ride. I enjoy the ride. Definitely, more organized, and it is more. It is new coaches. It is only 4-5 stops. So I will take a forward seat. I think all seats are like this. So I can see forward seats there. So I will go there and sit in forward seats. I don't want to sit seats like this. So this is Elizabeth line. Excellent. I'm going to sit here for next maybe 30-40 minutes. Train has started. It is going to Paddington. Next stop is Heathrow Terminals 2 and 3. ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి. లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.